This is Dennis Dornon with MainWP, and in this video, I'm going to go over the MainWP Managed Sites page. The Managed Sites page will likely be your second most used page, followed only behind the Overview page. Managed Site page provides a list of all sites added to your MainWP dashboard. It gives you a quick and easy way to see all basic information and actions to manage sites. When you first see the page, you will find a table of information. Each row represents one of your child sites, and each column, the data for that child site. You'll notice I have added 3 child sites for this demo. Each column represents different data. If you roll your mouse over the field, it'll reveal a tooltip explaining the column. In this one, we have Open Sites Overview. This opens individual site overview page. And that just goes into individual detail on that site. Now, if we go back, and then next up, jump to the WP admin of that site already logged in. Click that. See, I'm taken right directly to my WordPress child site, already logged in as an admin and ready to start working. Close that off. Next up is the URL that brings us to the front page of the site. The number of updates for the site. The last sync time. Site health shows you your site's health as reported by the child site. The ellipses gives you additional options. Not sure you like the way the columns are laid out? No problem. You can drag and drop each one to where you want. So we'll take our updates and just say we want that over here. So now we have our site updates, then URL. If you press the screen options cog, you can set the number of sites you see per page. Since I only have 3 sites, let's set that to 1. And then press Save Settings. And you'll see that the Managed Sites page now only shows 1 site per page and 3 pages. Let's hop back into our screen options and change that back to 25. But let's add a new column. Let's say I want to see the PHP version being run on every site, so I know if any need updating. Scroll down here, click on PHP, and click Save Settings. And now you'll see that I can see what PHP version is running on each one of my child sites. We can even drag and drop that where we want it. If you don't like your new layout, you can add or remove each column from the screen options. And even reset the page to the MainWP default. Just press Reset Page, Yes, Proceed, and the page is back to the default state of when you first installed your MainWP dashboard. And that is the MainWP Managed Sites page. I'm Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.